Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you how I make dairy-free ranch salad dressing. Today for lunch, I plan to have an apple walnut cranberry salad, and I would like to share with you how I make my dairy-free ranch salad dressing. Within my salad dressing, I will have a half cup of mayo, 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. That's optional and it also changes the color. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of dill weed, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, whichever you have that's available. And so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and add my spices within my mayo that I already have here. I'm going to add my garlic powder, salt, onion powder, pepper, and dill weed. Sorry about the mess. And mix that together. And I mentioned the paprika, but I'm not going to add that in there right now. But for some people that wants a little bit of color or that likes the flavor of paprika, it goes really nice within this dressing. Last, I'm going to add my vinegar here. And mustard. And that's about right. That's about right. So what I'm going to do right now is taste it and see how that tastes before I add any other spices. Tastes pretty good. For some of you that like things to taste a little bit more salty, you may want to add a pinch more of salt to it, but I'm not heavy on the salt, so I'm going to leave it as is. And what I also plan to do is just loosen this a little bit by adding a 1/2 teaspoon of water. And that's also optional. So if you like the consistency less thick than this, then add a little bit more water than I did. Just a 1/2 tablespoon at a time. And that's right for me. This is good. It's okay. Okay. So here's my apple cranberry walnut salad. And all that's left for me to do is add my cucumbers and my cranberries in. And what I have in here already is chopped spinach, lettuce, walnuts, and I just added my cranberries and my cucumbers, as you can see. And I'm going to add my salad dressing. Since it's a little bit earlier in the morning, what I'm going to do is mix this up and put it back in the fridge, and it is absolutely delicious. It's really good if you eat it as is, if I were to eat it right now, but it's even better once you let it chill in the fridge. Okay, well, that's it for my demonstration of how I make my dairy-free ranch salad dressing. And thank you for stopping by, and I hope you'll join me again whenever I decide to post another video. Bye-bye.